Namaste Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. Today we are going to understand what is oil pulling. Now, you all must have heard about this name so many times, and you must have also heard about the benefits of oil pulling. But today we are going to cover few aspects of oil pulling. First is what is oil pulling? What is the origin of oil pulling? What is the right name, the traditional name of oil pulling? What is the procedure of oil pulling? What are the benefits of oil pulling? And most important part, which will be at the end of this video, your questions about oil pulling, whether I should do brush first or oil pulling first. And there are so many other confusions and myths about oil pulling. We are going to cover all of them in today's episode. So let's start with what is oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Ayurvedic practice. Original name of oil pulling is Kaval Gandush or Kaval Graha. And we find details and glimpses about oil pulling, or the right name that I took just now, at Charak Sangita and other books as well. Now, what are the benefits of oil pulling? It has become very popular these days, and you must have seen so many television celebrities or actors and actresses talking too much about oil pulling, and that's absolutely true. If you practice oil pulling every day, this is one of the best ways to detox your entire system. So, early in the morning, it pulls out all the toxins from your body through your mouth. We have different doors of for the excretion of waste of our body. So when you wake up in the morning, you clean your body waste through different mediums, through stool discharge, through urine discharge, through spitting out your waste, cleaning your teeth, cleaning your tongue, your eyes, your ears, your nose. So oil pulling is like you do it with an effort through a complete protocol, that through this practice you get rid of the waste of your body, and it is a wonderful way to detox. Now when you practice oil pulling and your system is detoxed, what happens to your body? Of course, your skin starts glowing, and it is beautifully said, and you must have heard it so many times, that you look half of your age if you practice oil pulling every day. So, all the skin related problems are gone, all the gums related problems are gone, all the stomach related problems are gone. So, in nutshell, oil pulling is a wonderful way and is a wonderful practice to get rid of most of your ailments. Now, next question is, who can practice oil pulling? Well, everybody can practice oil pulling. It's not that only men should practice or women should practice, or till a certain age you can practice it. Everybody can practice it. For how long we should practice oil pulling? So it is recommended not to do something on regular basis for a very long time. So you can do it for 15 days, take a gap of 5 days, then again restart and practice it for 15 days. This way you can make up your own schedule and you can practice it at your own pace. How oil pulling is done? So the question which is most important, how is it done? So to practice oil pulling, we need to take 1 spoon of oil early in the morning. Early in the morning means you should be empty stomach while doing it. So go to your wash area and or just take 1 spoon of oil. Which oil can be taken? Best oil for oil pulling is either you can take olive oil, or you can take virgin coconut oil, the edible one. Now, this edible, whichever oil you are taking, it should be edible. So, best oil for oil pulling is either virgin coconut oil, the edible one, or you can take olive oil. Just put 1 spoon of oil in your mouth, and what you have to do is roll this oil in your entire mouth. How we do it? Like, so we roll this oil in our mouth for minimum, like not less than 10 minutes, and maximum 15 minutes. So 10 to 15 minutes, what you have to do is wake up in the morning. First thing is you drink water, of course, 2 glasses of water, then go for stool discharge. Then take this oil and practice oil pulling. While doing this procedure of rolling oil in your mouth, you can do your household chores. You can go for a walk for 10 to 15 minutes if you wish to, or maybe you want to read a newspaper. Well, I don't suggest reading a newspaper paper just after waking up. You must have seen it in so many of my other videos as well. So I would say you calm down for some time, or you do your household chores, let it roll in your mouth for around 10 to 15 minutes. It might sound very easy. After once you start practicing it every day, you will find it easy, but when you will do it for the first time, you'll find it really tough to hold that oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. But just hold it and then go to your wash area and spit it out. This is very important. Do not take it inside your body, because this oil has pulled all the waste from your body, all the toxins, and you need to spit it out. Now, if you're really cleaning conscious kind of person, then I would suggest do not spit it out in your wash basin, because that might have some stains of oil. So better just spit it out at the wash area. And when you will spit it out, the color of oil will be absolutely changed. So it will turn into something white. Why? Because of the activity that you have done within your mouth with this oil, and of course, the toxins that it has fetched from your entire body. So do not worry that, oh, I took a different color oil and it is coming out in a different color. That's absolutely okay. So just spit it out, and then you can just rinse your mouth with plain water. This is the procedure of oil pulling. Now, the question is, what time it should be done? It shall be done early in the morning. Early in the morning means just after you wake up. Okay. What oils we can use? As I told you, virgin coconut oil, or you can use olive oil, or you can use virgin sesame oil. That is also one of the good options for this. Next question, which most of the people ask, is whether we should brush our teeth before oil pulling or after oil pulling. So the answer is after oil pulling. Make sure first you do oil pulling and then you brush your teeth to get better results. Now, again, last question that we generally receive from our viewers and patients and students: we should drink water before oil pulling or after oil pulling? Definitely before oil pulling, and not just after oil pulling. So I think I have answered all of your questions. Now there is one thing which is known as clove oil pulling. So you all must be thinking, what is that? And that must be the next question in your mind, but we are not going to take that in today's video. For today, let's stick to our traditional way of oil pulling, the Ayurvedic way of oil pulling. And of course, I will come up with a separate video on how to do clove oil pulling. So if you like this video, do not forget to like this video. Press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and you can also subscribe at Bharat Yoga, where we have a wonderful family of 1.5 million, above 1.5 million. To हमारे सभी वीडियोस को हिंदी में देखने के लिए भारत योगा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, and to watch all of our discourses, you can subscribe at Bharat Yoga Discourses. Now, very soon, we will be meeting at Mukteshwar. As you all know that after every 2 to 3 months, we have a Bharat Yoga retreat at Mukteshwar at Himalayas, and this time this is going to be Dhyanam, a wonderful 3 days course on meditation, on techniques where you and me will be together, and we'll be learning some meditation techniques, self-meditation techniques, and not just the the guided one, but the self-meditation technique. So do come. And if these dates suits you, a number will be flashed here. You just drop a WhatsApp message at this number and you will get all the details, and a link will be shared in the description box from where you can get all the details of how you can come to Mukteshwar, what are the dates, what are the other requirements to go there, and all the details will be there. That's all for today. What else you want to see, what other problems you are suffering from, if you have any question related to your body, related to your mind, related to your health, related to your relationships, and most important, related to Indian culture, do not forget to send us your queries, and we will definitely come up with a solution. You can follow me at different social media platforms, @Acharya Pratishtha ji, Instagram, Facebook, Ku app, Share Chat, @A Pratishtha, Twitter. Hope to see all of you very soon. Stay happy, stay healthy, be a yogi. Namaste, Hari Om.